Hi, and welcome to the Higher Education Marketing Student Portal, HEM-SP, a system designed to enhance the entire admissions and enrollment process, providing your students with a world-class experience. We help organizations like yours attract, admit, manage, and retain students with ease. Designed for admissions officers, recruiters, financial teams, IT administrators, instructors, and students, HEM-SP brings everyone together. Starting with the application process, HEM-SP lets you create branded application forms with dynamic fields, document uploads, and tailored paths for different programs and courses. Applicants can even take virtual campus tours, experiencing campus life firsthand to make confident enrollment decisions. To make things even easier for prospective students, you can offer a quote or cost estimator tool. This allows applicants to get an accurate idea of tuition fees and any additional costs associated with their program. The admin portal includes tools to keep applicants engaged throughout their journey. Candidates receive updates and reminders based on their status in the admissions process. Messages are branded, personalized, and tracked for easy follow-up to ensure no prospective student slips through the cracks. HEM-SP makes it simple to extend, accept, and sign offers electronically. With integrations into leading payment gateways, every transaction is handled securely, whether it's application fees, deposits, or tuition payments. Once students are enrolled, the portal simplifies course and calendar management, helping you assign courses to programs, schedule lessons, and manage instructors seamlessly. With seamless integrations into your accounting, communication, e-signature, payment, tax calculation, and CRM platforms, we enhance your workflow without disruptions. The Recruiter Agency Hub enables you to easily collaborate with recruitment agencies to attract and enroll top-tier students. Agencies can submit applications on behalf of prospective students and track their progress and payments all in one place. By extending your recruitment efforts through the Recruiter Hub, your institution can maintain full oversight and control of agencies. HEM-SP helps you deliver an exceptional experience to each and every student, from their first inquiry through graduation. Book a demo today and see how HEM-SP can support your goals.